How to build a successful capture page that converts. Hey there, my friend. This is Paul Hutchings with pipelinemoney.com. And in this video, you're going to discover 6 powerful ideas and resources that can help you build a high converting lead capture page. But first, who am I and why should you listen to what I have to say? I've been marketing online since 2009. I've been full-time from home for over 15 years, and I started a company a few years ago to teach people lead generation and marketing, and we've done over $7 million in sales and paid out over $5 million in commissions. Just this week, we did a review and some coaching for one of our members on her lead capture page, and that's what I'm going to share with you in this video. As you continue to pay attention and watch, you're going to discover the best format for a high converting capture page with examples, ninja sales copy tips for a high converting page, common capture page mistakes and how to fix them, the top mistake most people make that kills capture page conversions and how to instead make an irresistible call to action that boosts conversion rates, the one language error that loses capture page visitors, and finally, I'm going to share with you a little known resource that can help make your marketing journey faster, easier, and more profitable. So we're going to take a look at my friend TJ's capture page, and you're going to hear 2 voices in this video, mine and my business partner, Mike. Here we go.
Let me know what you think about this new page. So I'll pull it open real quick. So I'll just say first things first with the aesthetics. I want you to understand a couple things here. Let me show you what a good aesthetic is for a capture page. You see how it's a pre-headline, then a headline, and then a sub-headline, and then there's a picture with an opt-in box all above the fold. This is actually a good way to format a page. A small headline, big headline, subheadline, and then an opt-in, right? This matters a lot on modeling a page. So when I see this is just huge. It's good to have it huge, but you see there's no opt-in form. So
I was struggling with this all day yesterday. Yeah, I wanted everything like above the fold.
Yeah, so you want this way smaller.
Okay.
And you want the main headline big.
Mhm.
And then you want the opt-in to show up about right here. Make sense? So the headline stuff needs to be up here, and the opt-in form and the image to the left right here. See, this is way too big, and way too big. So this whole page up to this point right here should fit right here in this white space. That makes sense? Right here. It should all be visible right here. So when you look at this page, you see how headline, image, opt-in are all visible. That's how you want your page. You want headline, opt-in, and picture all visible and above. They call it above the fold. So that's the first thing. And then Paul, you can do the copy if you want.
Yeah, so extra, read all about it. For Overwhelm teachers only. Discover the easiest way for teachers to grow an extra income from home. I love for Overwhelm teachers only, and I love discover the easiest way for teachers to grow an extra income from home. I don't know if I love the extra, read all about it part. I like the Overwhelmed teachers because that's exactly who you're talking to. And I think it's good to call out exactly who you're talking to right away. So if it were me, I would start with for Overwhelmed teachers only. And then it's like, if I'm an overwhelmed teacher, I have a problem, I'm overwhelmed, I instantly know this page is for me. And then discover the easiest way for teachers to grow an extra income from home. I love it. I love those 2 parts. Okay, so go from overwhelmed to overflowing with joy with this proven teacher-friendly cash flow system. So if it were me, I would say something like, enter your name and email below for a free video on how you can go from being overwhelmed to overflowing with joy using this teacher-friendly cash flow system. So the two enhancements I would make to that are enter your name and email below. So you're telling them what to do right off the bat. Enter your name and email below for a free video. Now they feel like they're getting something. They're like, I'm opting in to get this video. And then as far as the picture size, the general rule of thumb is there should be balance to the page. So you see how the picture is so much bigger than the text and the opt-in? Like if you imagine this is a section of the page, there should be balance across the page. So you want to shrink the picture and just kind of make it balanced. So, all right, let's scroll down and look at the other copy. I might put like a little divider above that section so it's not chunked together with the picture. And then if you're tired of school violence, changing administration, school policies, working overtime and long hours, parents winning, low salary, feeling stressed, you're tired, staff shortages, you might want to learn. So I love that you're calling out the issues which you know very well. So I think that will speak to them. You might want to learn how to earn an extra income, powerful personal development techniques, what to do with your money, time management magic, networking strategies, crystal clear communication, marketing mastery. Okay, so do teachers want to learn marketing mastery? I don't know. Like if we're talking about building an extra income stream, I think you might be better served to call out the problems that they know they have and then use brevity and curiosity to get them to opt in to see your teacher-friendly cash flow system. So think about this for a second. For overwhelmed teachers, we're offering a free video that can teach them how to go from overwhelmed to overflowing with joy using a teacher-friendly cash flow system. Okay, what problems does this solve for teachers? Okay, boom, you nailed the problems. Like if I'm a teacher and I'm reading this, I'm like, yeah. And then now we're like, you might want to learn. It's almost like you might want to get another master's degree. And now I'm feeling overwhelmed again, because you're like, how to earn extra income, powerful personal development techniques, what to do with your money. It's like, like I don't want another master's degree. So I would just eliminate most of these and make it focused on your same offer at the top, which is a video teaching a teacher-friendly cash flow system. So we're not like giving them a big list of things they're going to have to learn. We're just redirecting the attention back to the initial offer, which was the video on the teacher-friendly cash flow system. So if you're tired of all this stuff, you might want to learn how smart teachers like you are solving all of these problems with this simple teacher-friendly cash flow system. Enter your name and email now to see the video. Something like that. Can you sense how that feels easier and more attractive? All these problems, this video can help me. Yes, give me the video. It's just a simple video. It's just a simple teacher-friendly cash flow system. Yes, I want this. You don't want to tell everyone all the things they're going to have to learn because that's not usually attractive. You want to give them just enough where it's like, I know your problems. Like, oh, she understands me. I found a solution. The next step is this. And let's scroll down and see what else you got here. I help teachers understand affiliate marketing so they can build an extra income stream or potentially retire from the teaching profession. So the thing that stands out to me here is affiliate marketing. A lot of the teachers at my school, if they're like, what do you do? And I say I'm in affiliate marketing, most of the time I have to explain what that is. So the point of this is if they don't know what affiliate marketing is, that's not a benefit to them and they don't want it because they don't know what it is. This is what you call jargon, right? It's kind of like in the school system where they're talking about IRAs and ISATs and there's so much jargon in the school systems that you're like, what is this? I don't know what this is. So you lose communication. So I might say something like, I help teachers learn to build an extra income stream remotely so they can potentially retire from the teaching profession. See how that kind of would make perfect sense to any teacher who looked at it? And it would feel like a benefit. But yeah, get rid of the affiliate marketing on that. So those would be a few ideas for improving the copy.
Now, here's an example of taking TJ's page and making it pop out a little bit more. And I'm just giving you the reasoning behind it. You see how this pops out more. And then you got your headline. And now I didn't change any copy. So like you still need to change the copy.
I love it.
You see what I mean? Like this just looks way better. But that's the same thing you had.
Oh my God, you're a genius.
And then like you have the divider and then maybe another divider down here. But it's just like more pleasing to the eye.
Wasn't that an amazing capture page transformation? All right, the last resource I wanted to share with you is this. As I mentioned earlier, I started a company a few years ago to help people with marketing and lead generation. One of our products makes creating high converting capture pages much simpler, faster and easier for people. It's called the HBA Funnel Builder. This product is a fraction of the price of most, if not all, of the other web page builder products on the internet. It comes with a complete done-for-you template library where you can load up done-for-you high-converting templates, and it pays an 80% referral commission if you decide you love it, like thousands of our other members, and want to share it. So I want to show you where you can learn more about this product if you're curious about how you can make higher converting capture pages in a much easier and lower cost way. What you're going to want to do right now is visit pipelinemoney.com or click the link in the description below. Next, you're going to enter your name and email in this capture page. Let me know you're not a robot, and then click confirm now. That's going to take you to this page, which is basically a business presentation of our affiliate model, sharing with you how much profits and income you can grow joining our company and sharing our products. Now, you can watch this video if growing an extra residual income is appealing to you, in addition to learning more about our funnel builder product, or you can just click Control F on your keyboard and then type in funnel builder in the search and find box, and that's going to take you down to this step 3 on the page. And if you scroll down just a tad, you're going to see an 8-minute overview of our product with my business partner, Mike Hobbs. This is going to show you the ins and outs of our amazing funnel builder tool that I mentioned already, can allow you to create higher converting capture pages faster, easier, and with much less cost. So go ahead and visit pipelinemoney.com, enter your info, and go check that out. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you got value, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I believe in you. Hope you get out there, take action, and go for your dreams. Make it a great day. Bye for now.